Welcome to a world where every destination promises a blend of thrill and beauty, crafted perfectly for those who dare to explore beyond the ordinary. This video will guide you through some of the globe's most sought-after adventure hotspots, where the spirit of exploration meets the ultimate in adrenaline-fueled experiences. Gear up, ignite your curiosity, and prepare to discover the unforgettable. Your adventure starts here. Welcome to Bali, where exotic landscapes and thrilling activities blend into an unforgettable adventure. Dive into the vibrant world of Bali as we surf the legendary waves, each crest a heart-pounding thrill like no other. Beneath the surface, snorkeling reveals a mesmerizing underwater realm, teeming with colorful coral and lively marine life. Catch the perfect wave in Bali, a surfer's paradise renowned for its spectacular breaks and warm, turquoise waters. Venture into the sacred monkey forest, a sanctuary where playful monkeys roam freely, adding a touch of whimsy to our journey. As the day ends, we'll bask in the glow of a breathtaking Balinese sunset, a perfect close to a day of adventure. Dive into the heart of adventure in South Africa, a land where the wild roams free and adrenaline rushes are abundant. Start your journey with an unforgettable safari tour through one of South Africa's iconic national parks, where the majestic Big Five roam in their natural habitat. Feel the thrill of proximity to nature's most formidable creatures. Then, switch from land to sea as you descend into the deep blue in a shark cage, coming face to face with the great white sharks off the coast of Gansbaai. For those who crave height and speed, leap from the world's highest commercial bungee jump at Bluekrans Bridge, a breathtaking plunge of 216 meters that will leave you exhilarated. Feel the rush of freedom as you zipline over the sparkling sea, where the exhilarating speed meets the serene beauty of the ocean beneath. Embrace the spirit of adventure in New Zealand, where the landscapes are as diverse as the adventures they host. Start your adrenaline journey with a skydive over the stunning scenery of Taupo or Queenstown. Next, paddle through serene waters and explore the hidden coves by kayak. For those who prefer their adventures on land, take on some of New Zealand's challenging hiking trails like the Tongariro Alpine Crossing or the rugged tracks of Abel Tasman Coast, offering panoramic views and rugged terrain that will test your endurance. Lastly, delve into the subterranean world of the Waitomo Caves, where you can navigate through ancient limestone formations and gaze at the glowworm-studded ceilings, illuminating your path in this magical underworld. Dive into the thrilling adventures that Costa Rica has to offer, starting high above the lush forests with a zipline experience. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you soar across canopies, enjoying panoramic views that are as breathtaking as the ride itself. Shift gears and explore the rugged terrain on an ATV, navigating through the vast landscapes that make Costa Rica a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. After your off-road adventure, unwind in the naturally heated thermal springs, where soothing waters provide a serene escape amidst stunning natural backdrops. For those who crave underwater exploration, plunge into the clear blue waters of Costa Rica coasts for a scuba diving adventure, encountering diverse marine life and vibrant coral ecosystems. Immerse yourself in the vast and varied landscapes of Canada, where adventure meets the wilderness. Begin your journey gliding down the snowy slopes of Whistler or Banff, where each turn brings a breathtaking view of pristine, powdery mountains. Transition from the exhilarating heights of the mountains to the mysterious depths of the ocean with a whale-watching expedition along the coasts of British Columbia or the St. Lawrence River. As the day unfolds, retreat into the tranquil settings of Canada's national parks like Algonquin or Jasper for a camping experience. Paddle through the calm waters of Ontario's lakes or the challenging currents of British Columbia's rivers, embracing the quiet solitude of canoeing in the vast Canadian wilderness. Lastly, scale new heights with rock climbing in the Rockies or ice climbing in the colder months, challenging yourself against the rugged beauty of Canada's natural terrain. We hope you've enjoyed this exhilarating journey through some of the most thrilling adventure destinations on the planet. If you loved exploring these breathtaking locales with us, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring travels and adventures. Subscribe now and never miss an adventure.